Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to draw an easy kitten for beginners. So you're going to need something to draw on. I'm using paper, but you can use what you want. And something to draw with. I'm using a marker. You can use a pencil in case you make any mistakes, or a marker, or whatever you want. And I have colored pencils to color with. You can use whatever you want, and that is optional. So first you're going to draw a circle for the head. Like this. Now you're going to draw two smaller circles inside that circle for the eyes. You can make them as big or small as you want. Once you're done drawing the eyes, you can draw two even smaller circles inside, like this. There we go, and an even smaller one here. I'm going to want to color it in, except for the two circles you just drew. Like this. And you can add eyelashes if you want. It's optional. And next we are going to do the nose. You're just going to do like an upside down triangle with rounded corners. Like this. And for the mouth, you're going to go from the nose, you're going to draw a line going down. Then you're going to curve it like that, and then you're going to do the same thing with the other side. This is how it looks. And now you're going to draw the body. So for the body, you're just going to do like an oval. So you're going to start like this. Make it as big or small as you want. And for the feet, you're going to do like a going down, I think, curve and go back up like that. I'm going to do two of those. And for the other feet, you're going to go like side to side, like right here. And you're going to draw it going out like that, like an oval, like that. And for the tail, you're going to do a curve line, curve around, and go back in. Alright, now we're going to do the ears. The ears are going to be like triangles but curved on each side of the head. I'm going to do mine here. You can make them as big or small as you want. Okay, when you're done with the ears, if you want, you can draw a bow. That is totally optional. And I am going to do now like a collar. This is optional too. So you're going to start like below the neck a little and go like this. And adjust circle connected. Okay, there we go. It's like a bell. For the next part, I'm going to do a spot around one of the eyes. This is totally optional. And there we go, we're done. A really, really simple cut. Kitten. So now we're going to color it. This is optional. I'm going to be using red, maybe blue, and brown for this. Okay, I am done. This is how my kitten looks. And that's it. Super easy. Bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video.